Hi, everybody. This is Paris George, and I just want to say thank you for the subscribers that I have. I appreciate it, but please could you share it for me, please? I need more subscribers. I know it will take time, but thank you so much. I appreciate it. So it's just going to be this song that I'm going to do because it's a bit late here in the UK. So many good songs to choose from. Each day I live, I want to be a day to give the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every game to taste the sweet. I face the pain, I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. I want one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with destiny. Then, in that one moment of time, I will feel eternity. I've lived to be the very best and want it all. No time for less. I've laid the plan. Now lay the chance here in my hand. Give me one moment in time when I'm more than I thought I could be. When all of my dreams are a heartbeat away, and the answers are all up to me.